Welcome to Avengers Campus, Hawkeye. We're glad you finally arrived.
Hey, Friday. Thanks for the welcome, way. Very festive. But Stark couldn't pop it himself, huh?
Dialing Mr. Stark.
Oh, well, that's not necessary.
What is it, Friday? Little busy here.
I have Hawkeye on comm 1.
Clint, sorry we're not all there to welcome you. We're into a little situation, but we'll be there shortly. Make yourself at home. Have some eggnog, giant pretzel, whatever you want. It's on me.
Well, when you put it that way.
Intrusion alarm. Level 2 and 3. Unknown entities.
Hey, Hawk. Guy.
Sup, bro?
Hey, bro.
Looks like the Mensa meeting is starting.
Yeah, you're gonna be Mensa meeting these faces. What?
Just get here. Don't worry. I've got this.
Holiday playlist initiated. Season's greetings.
Clint, need a little help?
That's a bit much, don't you think?
Just trying to spread some Christmas cheer.
Thought you'd never show up.
And what exactly are you doing?
Just getting my jingle bell rung over here.
How about your Christmas gift to me is no more bad puns?
Yeah, sorry. Hey, Friday, fire up the Christmas music again.
Initiating holiday playlist.
You ready?
After you. This looks really good. Might make the naughty list again this year.
We've got to clean this up. The Avengers are going to be super mad.
The Avengers have arrived.
Hey, team! Look, we decorated.
We might have ruined the campus Christmas party.
This is usually how our holiday parties end up. Avengers! How about we assemble over here for the Christmas card photo? Everyone say, Happy Holidays.
be over there.